UL. For that purpose, we have to access the my list. So we can access that document.getElement by ID my list. So it will access this UI element, and now we are going to append the child, that is text node. Then you can know here we have to, if you will just you observe that we are using, there are two things. First we have to create a li, and second we have to creating a text node. Then we are going to append that li text to the li node. In case if you directly use this text node here, then what will going to happen? Let's run it and just append it. And if you see that it's already appended, but it is not a list item. So in case if you wanted to make it into a list item, we have to use the node element. Okay, so what we can do, that we have to copy that and we have to add that, and now we can run it. Now if you see that it's become a list item. So this is the append child method of DOM element, and with the help of this we can append any element into our DOM with the help of JavaScript. So I hope you got it, all concepts are clear so far, and if you still having a doubt, you can mention in a comment and I will try to resolve all your queries. And please let me know and in what method we are going to make a new video. By the way, we are going to making this series of all the DOM method, and I hope that in future if there would be any kind of method would be left, and I will definitely cover that method too. Okay, so if you like the video, and please do subscribe, because your subscribe, your like and comment and give me a motivation so that I can bring this kind of video to you. So thank you so much, and take care. Bye.